Oxford Discover Student Book 3 Unit 15 The Life of a Sunflower. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and read the words. Listen again and say the words. Soil, seeds, roots, stem, leaves, petals, nectar, pollen, oxygen, humans. Soil, seeds, roots, stem, leaves, petals, nectar, pollen, oxygen, humans. Read The Life of a Sunflower. The Life of a Sunflower. So, from the title here, I understand that we will learn about sunflower. We will talk about everything related to the sunflower. Like how does a sunflower grow? So, what's our topic today is the life of a sunflower. Before we are going to read the article, I want you to have a look on these drawings with me. Let's read together. The first drawing here talks about the life of a sunflower. How does the sunflower grows? What do you think? How does it grows? Like here in the diagram, I bring the sunflower seed. Then I bring a pot and fill it with the soil. See the pot. I filled it with soil. It comes from the ground. Then we will plant the seed under the soil. We will plant the seed here under that soil. Then after that, we will moisten the soil with water. What's the meaning of moisten? Moisten means make the soil wet with water. So here we put the water to make the soil wet. Finally, the seed will sprout in a week. What's the meaning of sprout? It means to start to grow. So first we will bring the seed and secondly we put the soil in the pot or we put the seed or plant the seed into the soil. Next we will moisten it or water it. Later the seed will sprout or grow into a plant. Let's go to the second part. The second part talks about the parts of a sunflower. The parts of a sunflower and the functions also. What are the parts of a sunflower and what are their functions? So we start here from the down, the roots. The first part here is roots. These are the roots and roots are underground in the soil. What is the function of roots? Roots get water, nutrients, or food from the soil. Okay, what's the second part? The soil. What's the meaning of soil? It's brown as you see in the drawing. What is the function of soil? Soil provides nutrients and water to the plant. It provides water and food to the plant.
The third
What's the
part,
meaning
stem.
of stem?
What is the
Where is the
meaning of
stem?
stem? Where's
The stem. This is the stem. What is the function of a stem? Stem carries the water and nutrients to the leaves, or it supports the leaves as well as the flowers.
well as
So,
the
what
flower?
is the function of a
So
stem?
what is the
Stem
function of
provides
stem?
water
It
and
carries the
nutrients
water
from
and
the
food
soil
from the
to
roots.
leaves
So the
and
first thing, the roots.
flowers.
Let's go to the
Let's go
other
to the
part.
other parts.
Leaf.
Leaf is a singular. The plural of leaf is leaves. What is the function of a leaf? Leaf is considered the factory where the plants make the food. Okay, next we will talk about pollens. What's the meaning and function of the pollen? Now, who bring the pollen to that flower? Pollen helps new sunflower seeds to grow. What's the meaning of the pollen? Meaning of the pollen. Pollen. Pollen is the powder. The powder. Pollen is the powder. It can come to the flower by the wind or by insects like bees and butterflies. They can carry the pollen from somewhere and bring it to another plant. Okay, the pollen means the powder that honeybees or insects bring from other plants. What is the function of pollen? Pollen helps the new sunflower seed to grow. The third drawing here is talks about the uses of sunflower. The sunflower is so important. Important. Important means special. So why is the sunflower special? The sunflower gives us food. It gives us food. Sunflower gives us oxygen. It gives us oxygen. The sunflower gives us beauty as well. So, sunflower gives us food, oxygen, and beauty. We can get oil from the sunflower. This oil is used in cooking. We cook food from the sunflower oil. Or we can get seeds, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds help us in our food, or it's a type of food. Page 149. The life of a sunflower. In this science article, we read about how a sunflower lives, grows, and starts all over again. A science article is an informational text. It gives us information and facts about the topic. As you read, look for causes and effects. A sunflower life begins with a seed. To turn that seed into a plant, we first need to fill a pot with a bag of soil. Plant that seed about 1 or 2 centimeters under the soil. Moisten the soil with a cup of water. With the right amount of water and warmth, the seed will sprout in about 1 week. So, in the first para, we discussed how the life of sunflower starts. It starts with seed. First, we grow it into the soil, and after 1 week, the seed will sprout or grows out. As the sunflower grows up out of the soil, its roots grow down. These roots get water and food from the soil, helping the sunflower to grow. A single smooth stem grows higher and higher above the ground. with white leaves growing out of the stem along the way. Water and food go up through the roots, through the stem, and into the leaves. 30 days after the plant comes out of the ground, the flower of the sunflower plant begins to grow. The flower is round and flat with bright yellow petals that grow around it. When bees come to get the nectar from the flower, they bring pollen with them from the other flowers. This pollen helps new sunflower seeds to grow in the flat part of the plant. Did you know that a sunflower always turns towards the sun? The sunflower, like all plants, uses sunlight in a special way. The leaves of the sunflower turn sunlight into energy for the plant. When leaves make this energy, they make oxygen too. As the sunflower comes to the end of its life, the sunflower seeds dry up. Some of them fall into the soil, where they will grow into new sunflowers next year. Birds eat some of the seeds. People take the sunflower seeds and eat them too. The seeds also have sunflower oil in them, which people use for cooking. Like all plants, the sunflower is very important for life on Earth. It gives us oxygen. It provides food for humans and animals, and it brings color and beauty to our planet. We must remember to take care of the plants in our world because they take care of us.